guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a Haulmark that we have in stock with a UTV pack on it set up ready to go. Stock number 15064. This one is again a 2019 Haulmark 7x16 plus V, so this trailer is going to measure closer to 18 feet in total length. This one is in a silver smooth skin exterior, so no screws or rivets. Extended tongue, extra tall diamond plate rock guard. We've upgraded the locking system on the side door with an RV lock and cam bar. Two 3,500-pound axles with brakes on all fours. Side vents. This is also a transport model. It's one of their upgraded lines. Does come with a 3-year factory warranty. We have also added drop-down stabilizer jacks underneath the back as part of the Colorado UTV Pack. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close on it, so it's easy to open and close this rear ramp door. 7-foot interior height. That's key for you guys with the bigger UTVs, so you guys have that full 6'6" at that rear ramp door. This one also has a load light at the back, part of the Colorado Pack, and that will give you guys that exterior light when you need to load and unload in the dark. Now we've also upgraded the walls and flooring system in here to a full Drymax wall and floors. Now this is a water resistant product. It's an amazing product because it is durable and again water resistant. That's also on the underneath side of your trailer. So this setup right here is going to last you guys a lot longer than just having a standard wood floor in a trailer. One-piece aluminum roof with Haulmark product. We've also upgraded the lights, so you've got 2 overhead LED lights, 4 D-rings in the floor as well, which is part of the Colorado UTV Pack, and side vents. So you've got one here in the back and another one up there in that top left corner. That's going to allow this trailer to naturally vent, which is great when you guys are sticking anything in here with fuel. And there's those 2 more D-rings here in the front, and again, we've got almost 18 feet from the tip of the V back here to that back ramp door. Back side of the RV lock, it gives you guys this piece right here, which is a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. It's a really nice feature to have because without that, normally you're gonna have nothing on the interior of the door and no way to close it from the inside or lock it. So it's a nice upgraded feature. And then a couple toggle switches to turn on the exterior load light off the back and those 2 overheads on the ceiling. So here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, give us a call. We've got some amazing sale prices happening right now as we are having our spring inventory sale. Check out all of our inventory and pricing online at coloradotrailersinc.com, or always give us a call, 303-688-8485, and be sure to like and subscribe.